Hello, this is Alexander Cross, Criminal Defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area. If you'd like to learn more about criminal defense, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross and Associates, and feel free to ask questions in the comment section below so that we may respond in the future with more videos for you. So, we received an interesting inquiry here on our YouTube channel. This has to do with being raped by grandfather. Let's see here. My father is accused of raping my 7-year-old daughter. My daughter told her teacher that her grandfather touches her parts ever since she was very young. Well, let's talk about first the touching of the parts without penetration. And I'm assuming no penetration. Rape obviously is penetration. Touching chest, the vaginal area without penetration, or buttocks of somebody under the age of 14 is a felony if it's done for sexual gratification. This is covered under Penal Code Section 288, parentheses A, which carries up to 8 years state prison, plus having to register as a sex offender for life. Now, generally speaking, in these cases, we tell people, never speak to the police. Remember your Miranda rights. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say or do will be used against you in court. You have the right to an attorney. Always, always, always exercise your Miranda rights, because anything you say or do will be used against you in court. Anything positive that you say, that's basically going to get thrown out. Nobody cares. Oh, but the negative stuff, oh, that's going to be part of the report, and that's definitely going to be used against you. So it basically doesn't really help for you to speak to the police ever under any circumstances. So there's that to consider. But the other charge, which is far more serious, the raping of somebody under the age of 10 years old. Any kind of sexual penetration, obviously done for sexual purposes, obviously, is a violation of Penal Code Section 288.7, parentheses A, which carries up to 25 to life in state prison, plus obviously sex registration. These cases, generally speaking, are basically as equally punishable as murder. They're extremely serious, and they have to be handled extremely, extremely carefully, especially since in these cases it's going to be a he said, she said type thing. It's very rare that there's physical evidence in these types of cases. It's very, very rare. However, if we're talking about somebody who's age 7, I think maybe with a rape kit, I think there could definitely be some very compelling evidence, just based on the size of the child. Regardless, if you'd like to learn more about criminal defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross and Associates, and feel free to ask questions in the comment section below so that we may respond in the future with more videos for you. But if you've been accused of a crime here in the San Francisco Bay Area and you need representation, give us a call for a free consultation at 1-800-862-7677. Once again, 1-800-862-7677. On our next video, we're going to be discussing the case of somebody who got accused of having pornography on their phone. Criminal lawyer, criminal lawyers, DUI lawyer, DUI lawyers, criminal attorney, criminal attorneys, DUI attorney, DUI attorneys.